Welcome to the episode 3 of SmartBiz helps mompreneurs go online. Today we are adding the final touches to the website of the women at Urvi and introducing them to the growth features of SmartBiz by Amazon.
Amazon has become a household name, and at Urvi, both of us, Nandini and I, are feeling very excited that we've been chosen for Amazon SmartBiz.
Every business, big or small, at some point would run ads on various social media platforms. So if Urvi team also needs to run ads on Meta, they can directly integrate Meta Pixel to their SmartBiz website. They can also send bulk WhatsApp messages to all the people who have bought from them in the past or will buy from them in the future through the website itself. And now it's time for the final reveal, and here's how the website looks.
And because it's Mother's Day, we are running an exclusive discount on products just for today. Please use our coupon code given on the screen.
So अगर आपको ये सीरीज पसंद आई हो and you would like to support these mompreneurs of Urvi, then go to
Link in bio
and shop from the latest website made with
SmartBiz by Amazon. To all the moms at Urvi,
and to all the mompreneurs around the globe,
Happy Mother's Day.